Let's go over the procedure to replace the cruise control main switch in a 2001 Honda Odyssey. First off, we have to remove the little trim panel here on the dash. Using a 90-degree little hook pick here to gently work my way around the panel, release all the clips, and pop it out of place. Now we can access the back side of the switch here and get to the electrical connector to release it and unplug the switch itself. Now there's just two little metal tabs here holding the switch into place and push it out the front side. We can take our new switch, which looks identical to the original, line it up, push it into place, plug in the electrical connector, reinstall the panel here, and the job is done.